Good morning, Lindsay.
Good morning, Brett.
So we're here talking about the construction industry and the uses of unmanned systems for that work. What's sort of been going on in that area?
So a lot's been happening over the last few years as far as integrating unmanned systems into construction, particularly with drones. So these technologies are being used here in the United States, around the world as well, on construction sites and job sites, to do land surveying projects, producing 3D maps, and ultimately providing a lot of data and information that construction professionals can use to not only increase safety on the work site, but to also increase efficiency and ultimately save money.
And I know that the upcoming World of Concrete event is going to be focusing on these topics and lots of others. What can you tell us about that?
So World of Concrete is a huge construction industry event that will be bringing 58,000 professionals to Las Vegas. It's taking place January 21st through the 25th, and AUVSI will be holding a 2-hour workshop Thursday, January 24th from 9 to 11, where we'll be bringing in construction professionals as well as professionals in the unmanned systems industry to talk about how these technologies are being incorporated on the work site, the tips and tricks that professionals need to understand to maximize their ROI on the technology, and really to, how they can make the most of this new emerging technology in their operations. We're very excited about it. We'll have Precision Hawk, Praxis Aerospace, Hensel Phelps, Pix4D, and several other companies coming to participate, and we're looking forward to having a great discussion.
Great. So to get up to speed, that's the place you need to be. Thank you very much, Lindsay.
Thanks, Brett.